how to turn off the blue ticks on WhatsApp. So let me quickly show you how it's done. So first up, you open WhatsApp, and on your home page on the top right corner you can see there are these three dots. You click on them, and over here you go to settings, and in settings you go to account, and in account you can see there is this tab called privacy. You click on privacy, and over here you can see there is this option called read receipts. So read receipts is basically the blue ticks that you can see once you receive or send messages. Once you turn them off, you won't either send or receive read receipts. So there is one downside: you won't be able to even see blue ticks, or you won't be able to send people messages and get information on whether they have been read or not. But read receipts are always sent for group chats. So if you're in a group and you have seen a message, well, that info will be shared with the rest of the group, or no, will be shared with the person who have sent that message, and the information about the time when you have seen the message will also be sent. So group chats are not included in this option, but private chats are enabled and disabled, so blue ticks will be permanently switched off once you uncheck this option. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment down below on what next video we should make. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.